Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. Merry Christmas to all of you. I wish you the best. Happy holidays. Today I have the smart battery charger 20 volt 12 amps, the model PLGS 2012A1. Parkside performance charger, without battery obviously, with charging times for the 2 ampere hours 35 minutes, for the 3 ampere hours 38 minutes, for the 4 ampere hours 42 minutes and for the 8 ampere hours 48 minutes. Rated input 300 watts, charging current max 12 amps, power cable 1.5 meter, additional control and monitoring via the Parkside app, compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series, with a 5 years warranty. Wow, 5 years warranty. In comparison to the 20 volt 4.5 amp battery charger, you have up to 166% higher charging current, charge up to 150% faster using a 20 volt 8 ampere hours battery. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it, see how well it's performing. And of course inside included we have the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. The 1.5 meter length cable, very convenient. Oh wow, it's quite heavy, I like it. We have a silicone pads, it will stay very secure at any surface, or you can mount it at the wall. And it says here 4 inch equal 101.6 millimeter. I like that. They have the dimensions between these two holes. Nice. Here you can connect the battery, Parkside. We have the charging times for each battery on eco mode and performance mode. The indicator for the Wi-Fi signal, Bluetooth, WLAN, the eco mode button and the 60% charging button, LED indicators for various status, ventilation we have at the left and right here, because it has fan for cooling down all the internal parts when it's charging the battery. X20 volt team, let's plug it in. The Wi-Fi signal is flashing blue. Parkside app. I have some other batteries. I will test this battery that it says 8%, please charge. It is 8 ampere hours. So to reset this device, press and hold these two buttons for 5 seconds. And then add little smart battery 20 volt 12 amp. You need to choose the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from your router, enter the password, continue, finish it. So easy. So there is the app, not connected, okay. Now let's insert a battery. We can see solid blue the Wi-Fi signal. Here is the battery, low capacity, 8 ampere hours. We can hear in the fan, it's flashing red. When yellow LED is flashing, the battery is less than 80%. When green LED flashes, is more than 80%. Solid on the green light, it is 100% charged. 60% charge the battery, red plus yellow LED flash overheat, and the red LED illuminated battery defective. Nice to know all that. And of course you can switch off the charging process from the app, on again. We can see the device, the current charge, charge voltage, max charge current, charge mode, quick, you can choose the standard, and we can see is decreasing the current charge on standard mode. Or you can choose individual. Now on individual I don't see anything that is doing right now. The same, it is on maximum. Eco mode, it is on the green light, and we can see is decreasing the current charge. Current temperature 27 degrees Celsius. You can choose 60% charge it so that the lifetime is longer of your battery. Okay, we can see near 1 amp. You can switch it off the 60% and from the unit, instant response, and from the app. We can see eco mode, charge to full time is 429 minutes. Okay, if disabled, it goes at the quick mode, and the charge time, it is faster. Now it says 53 minutes. You can get notification 10 minutes to full charge, off or on, 100% fully charged, on or off, overheat notification, device information. You will have notification at your smartphone. 60%. Standard mode, decreasing the current charge, and obviously it will increase and the charging time. And again, eco, turning on the light. I like it. So let's wait until it will go at the orange and then green flashing and green solid on. That means it will fully charge the battery. And I will go with the quick mode. Now someone it will tell why I'm going to use all these settings to charge my battery if I'm using the battery all the day and I need to have a quick charge of my battery. I don't care, just plug the battery on quick charge to have the faster time to charge my battery and use it instantly. You can have more than one battery, 2, 3, 4 batteries. Definitely it will be a great idea to charge more batteries at once, second or third battery, a larger unit maybe. That will be nice. I think they have a product with 2 batteries simultaneously charging. And now we can see it's flashing yellow, it is less than 80% battery. Yep, it is 38%, it's charging, 26 minutes to 100% charging. And of course you can have a notification for overheat for the battery. Current charge, we can see, discharging current, working hours, some information for the battery. So let's wait. And now we can see the green LED is flashing, battery is more than 80%. There it is, 91%, 3 minutes to 100% fully charged. And we have solid green light if the battery is fully charged. You can switch off, switch on again. There is in the battery 100%. Current temperature 38 degrees Celsius. I like it. So easy to charge your battery. You can choose options to fast charge, slow charge, 60% only to charge the battery, eco mode, whatever you want. From the app you can make all the adjustments to your needs. You want your battery to fully charge it fast because you want your batteries, you have work to do, then choose the quick charge and it will charge your battery fast. 12 amp. It is your choice in which situation and how you want to use your batteries. And of course you can use this unit only with Bluetooth connectivity, not only with the Wi-Fi signal, because maybe you are in a place without a Wi-Fi signal. So you can use with a Bluetooth signal to check your battery from the app. Adjust all the settings however you want. That was all, my viewers. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was very helpful, and decide if you want to buy this smart charger that it cost 39 euros. More or less, I think the price is fair enough for the things that it can give you from the app. Manage the charging process, how you want to charge your battery, adjust all these options to your needs. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.